when I lived in LA, I remember just craving the quiet and was so frustrated that it seemed like I couldn't find those windows of time that were totally quiet. And then I remember after 9/11 how it was like everything stopped, and even there was no planes in the sky, no machinery going. And I remember when the planes started flying again and the sound started up again, just being really grateful and really having a revelation of all the sounds in life are a part of showing that there is life. And I really changed my perspective on quiet and sounds. Now we live in such a quiet place, and the sounds that break the silence are of nature, most of them, and it's really, really beautiful. Another aspect of the sounds of life.
Hey.